Hello, I'm Dr. Alan Martinez from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana. If you are missing several teeth, you may not need a full mouth implant treatment. In many cases, we can restore your smile with multiple dental implants placed only where they are needed. There are different options. Some patients benefit from individual implants, where each missing tooth is replaced with its own implant and crown. Other patients may be better candidates for an implant-supported bridge, where fewer implants can support several replacement teeth. The right option depends on your bone, your bite, your health, and how many teeth are missing. That is why we use careful evaluation and 3D planning before recommending treatment. Multiple dental implants can help you chew better, protect your jawbone, prevent teeth from shifting, and give you a stable, natural-looking smile. If you are missing several teeth and want to know your best options, contact Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana. We'll be happy to help you plan the right treatment.